SMS to the caretakers. Usually the parents are the police department. So now let us see the demo. So as you can need help. So I am just pressing the link here. It will automatically open the map application and it will project called Women Safety Device using shock generator and GSM modem. So let us see the project components first. This is the project kit and this consists of Atmega 328P microcontroller board, that is Arduino Uno board. The board name is called Arduino and the microcontroller used in the board is Atmega 328P. And then we have the GSM modem. So this is SIM800C GSM modem for sending the SMS. We can insert the micro SIM in the micro SIM slot. So this is the GSM modem with SMA antenna. And then we have the GPS modem. Here we are using the Neo 6M GPS modem. So this is a patch antenna. So this is called the patch antenna and this is the modem device. And as you can see, the red LED is blinking. So the modem is connected to the satellite right now. So it has the 3D fix. And then we have the converter. So this is the high ampere DC to DC converter. By using this, we will be converting the voltage from 12 volt to 5 volt without changing the ampere rating. So here we have connected the adapters, one for the gun. Of adapters are used. Here we have connected the two different types of adapters, one for the shock generator and another one for the project kit. So this is the 3 ampere adapter and here we have the 1 ampere adapter. So these two adapters are connected to the project. So the 3 amps adapter is connected to the I ampere DC converter and the output of the DC converter is given to the relay board. So this is the relay board. This relay board will be activated by using the microcontroller board. So the microcontroller will give the signal to the relay board so that it will connect the I amps DC voltage to the shock generator. So this is a shock generator. So as you can see, so this is the shock generator and this is 400 kV shock generator and it will generate the spark. So since we don't want to take a risk with the spark, we have connected the spark leads to the plastic tube. So this is inside the plastic tube so that we can touch it here and that will not affect us. So this is for safety purpose. So this is the entire kit, Women Safety Device using shock generator and GSM modem. So now let us see how the spark generator works and how the entire system get the data from the GPS and send it in the SMS. So I am just turning by clicking the panic button, the system will be activated. So this is the scenario. Let us consider the woman is walking the road. Suddenly the unwanted person came in front of the woman. What he can do, he can press the button so that it will generate the shock and dispel the unwanted person, and also it will get the GPS location and send it a SMS to the caretakers. Usually the parents are the police department. So now let us see the demo. So as you can see the demo, when I press the panic button, initially the shock generator will create the spark to inactivate the unwanted person and after that the SMS will be automatically sent to the caretakers. So now let us see the SMS in the mobile. So the SMS is sent to the mobile and now we can see the SMS. The SMS will be having the map location. So when you press the map location, it will directly go to the map app. So now you can see the SMS here. So, need help. So I am just pressing the link here. It will automatically open the map application and it will show the location of the victim or the location of the person who is being in danger. So like that, we can easily rescue the person in danger. So this is how the woman safety device using shock generator and GSM works. Thank you.